Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. Taylor and I are about to go to Target real quick to get some stuff for traveling. We'll be traveling next week. So I want to go ahead and get the stuff that we need. Y'all, have your kids ever cried so much that you want to cry? Like, I was a straight up crybaby when I was little. But she been crying like all day long. Like all day long. Like, I want to cry. Like, stop crying. Like, I had to bribe her, like, look, if you stop crying, I'll let you have, like, oh my gosh. My eye twitching again. This left eye. Look at her over here, look at me. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Spit your gum out. You said you didn't want it no more. Spit it out.
No.
You don't want it?
Mm-mm.
Do you want it?
Yes.
Girl, come on. Alright, so we out.
I'm out, guys. So, we're out.
Maybe she was missing y'all. Go. Maybe she was missing y'all. Cause she talking and stuff since ever since y'all I pulled the camera out. My goodness. Who a crybaby? Who a crybaby?
Judah.
Judah? I hope my cousin watches this. Judah is my baby cousin. Like, he's a baby. He's still in the hospital, baby. Oh my gosh. I can't make this stuff up. Alright, we'll talk to y'all when we get to the store. Alright, y'all, so we're in Target. She's here.
Guys, I want one.
No, she hasn't started crying yet. We've gotten this stuff so far for traveling. And then I've been looking at this blow dryer brush that everybody's been talking about. Because if I can make my hair drying process easier, like, why wouldn't I? But the one that I see, it has a lot of bristles on it, and I'm a little nervous to try that one. Shh, Taylor. Hush. So I don't think I see the one I'm looking for. This is the one they have here, and I don't want the oval one. This is pretty. Put your leg back in there.
Mama, get my shoes.
Okay. Ask for it. They don't have what I'm looking for. That sucks. Big time. Okay. Hey y'all. So I just finished putting a warm compress on my eye because my eye started itching really bad, and then I looked at my lid. You can't really tell, but my lid was like a little swollen in this area. So I put a warm washcloth on my eye. Like, I swear I better not get no star or nothing. Like, I ain't never had a star in my life. Now is not the time. Not this week, not next, because I'm about to go out of town. And ain't nobody got time for that. So that would be annoying. But I want to come. Taylor sleep, y'all. Look. Knocked out. But I wanted to come to you guys and show you what I just got from the store. I'm gonna go live on Instagram too. So let me set this up. Look, eye twitching. Let's see. I'm hungry. It's time for me to have lunch. So I'm just gonna wait for people to get on. Why? I'm gonna go ahead and get started because we have like 5 people up here. But y'all talk to me while y'all are joining in. Where are you joining from? Happy hump day. What are you doing? Are you at work? Are you at home? And I'm going to show you guys what I got. Alright, so I went to Marshall's yesterday because we have a cocktail or awards party next week. So I wanted to get something to wear. I didn't find anything, but I always find something for Taylor. So they had, she works out with me like every day, y'all. So they had this, these cute little workout shorts. Aren't these cute? Like the color is not showing. Y'all know this is pink, but I don't know what color it looks like on your side. But I thought these were so cute, and look at the price. So I got this, and to go with this, they had like little Nike shirts. She's not gonna wear this anytime soon, so I'll probably give it to her as a birthday gift, because her birthday's in March, and that's when it's gonna like start getting warm. So I got this to go with it. Like, isn't that so cute, y'all? So that, and then I got a little purple set. So these shorts, cute. And I got this shirt to go with those shorts, also cute. And the shirt was only $5.99, so it was a really good buy. So I got that. Then I went to Target just to get stuff for traveling. I'm not gonna show y'all everything because I just got like a whole bunch of toiletries and stuff, like the little travel size bottles and stuff. But I got this little doll for her room. Now, typically I only get like brown babies for her, but this one was like a tannish color, and it kind of looked like the sunlight is blocking it, but it kind of looked like her skin color. So I was okay with getting this one, and it's like pink and gold, and that's like the same. I don't know why the light is doing that. I can't do anything, but yeah. Oh, there you go. It's like her skin color. So I got this for her. To go on her bed. I thought it was cute with her little, and she's like so obsessed with ballerinas. So when she saw it, she was like, a ballerina. And she has like little ballerina shoes on. So just to give you guys an update on her room, IKEA, they mailed the furniture, but they mailed 2 of the side rails instead of the headboard. So we didn't get the headboard at all. I called them last Friday, and basically they said they have to wait, that I have to wait a week to 2 weeks to get it. So I was like, you can't overnight it for the inconvenience, and they were like, you have to wait 1 to 2 weeks to get it. Like, she's repeated the same exact thing she said, like in a monotone voice, like she deals with irate people all day. So I was like, let me not go there with her. So yeah, still waiting for her bed to come, but everything else is up, and we had to like switch the furniture around the room because I don't like the way it's set up. My voice sounds horrible right now. I don't know what's going on. Okay, then I went to Sally's. Is that everything from Target? Oh, I had to get her some more tissue because she still has this cold. I went to Sally's, and I was looking for like I didn't go for this, but yeah, that was my first time shopping at IKEA. So I ain't know they be like tripping like that. But I didn't go to Sally's to get anything like a souffle or twisting gel or anything like that. But I know next week I'm doing a braid out, so I get excited about new products. So I bought this. And I thought, isn't the packaging so cute? So this is a twisting souffle. It smells alright. It smells alright. And it's like super thick. Like, I like thick products for my hair, so. Especially when I'm doing like braid outs and stuff. Like, I don't like that watery stuff. That watery stuff means that my hair is gonna be frizzing. And ain't nobody got time for frizz in Tampa. So, got this. And then, y'all, everybody has been talking about this on YouTube and stuff. So, one of my friends, April, did a video on it. And that was like all I need to see. I was like, I'm going to get it. So, I bought this. So next week, I'm not straightening my hair, but I wanted to blow dry it so I could style it for conference. Because I want my blowout to be, or my braid out to be more on blow dry hair instead of like on curly hair. So I bought this. The brand that I saw most people using was Revlon, I think. But Target didn't have it. And Sally's, I went to Sally's, they didn't have it. They had this one, and there was a hairdresser there, and she said she used this brand too. So I got it. If it don't work for my hair, I'm just gonna take it back. So yeah, I'm excited to use it because it takes forever to blow dry my hair. Like, you guys can't even imagine. It takes forever to blow dry my hair. So I'm excited to use it. I may do a video just showing you guys how this brand works, because like I said, every other brand I saw was Revlon. I saw, yeah. And then I almost got confused because they also have the hairbrush straighteners. So I almost bought a straightener instead of the blow dryer. This is a blow dryer. So if you go get one, don't get confused like I almost did. And then lastly, I'm so excited. I got my package in from my business. So they gave us an exclusive gift for a conference. So I want to open it up. I have 2 of them, one for me, one for CJ. I promised Taylor I would let her open it if she behaved herself at the store, and she did. So luckily I have 2 because I can't wait. I want to go ahead and open it now. So I'm about to open it for you guys. Isn't the packaging like really cute though? Like, look, isn't it so cute? So I'm gonna open it up and see what it is. Oh, this is cute. She be so pressed to open boxes, by the way, Taylor. So they gave us a duffel bag to put our stuff in. So it's kind of like a carry-on bag, I think, but it's huge. Like, I think Taylor can fit in this. Like, y'all, it's so cute too. It's showing on my camera, but you guys can't see the whole thing on my phone because it's so big. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness. It's really big, so I'm definitely going to use this as a carry-on bag. But even if I wanted, let me see. I think I can make it smaller if I want to, so it could fit under the seat. If I want to use it as like my personal. No, maybe not. This thing is huge. It's big. So I could fit a lot of stuff in here. I'm hyped. Alright, so that's it. I got one and CJ got one too. So thank you. So I'm gonna show him when he get home. I'm gonna make him wait so my baby can wake up and open the box. But that's it, y'all. Y'all, my skin is glowing right now, like, ooh, child. That drinking that water and my cleanser and stuff, like, really has my skin like looking good. But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you have a wonderful day. So yeah, talk to you guys later. And I'll talk to you guys later too. I showed you everything. I'm so hyped about this, y'all. It's so cute and big. Like, I could fit so much in here. Like, y'all, look at it compared to my head. Like, it's so big. I'm so excited. And it came with, I forgot to show y'all, it came with this little card. I can't tell you how many people I've ran into who like stops me because they see this card on my bag or something. So they actually gave us like a little card to put on our bag. So that is like really dope. So if they haven't heard about that crazy wrap thing, they can like see it on our bag. I love my business, y'all. Like, I really do. I really do. I know I say it all the time, but y'all just don't understand. Y'all just don't understand. So I put that on, and bam, I'm gonna just be walking in the airport like like, y'all, all of these toiletries that I bought, like all of these toiletries, look at it compared to this bag. Like, I could probably fit all of my clothes in here for conference. But I'm gonna save this. Like, I'm not gonna put too much in here because I know I'm gonna do a lot of shopping at conference and I want to be able to bring it back. So I'm gonna pack it so I can bring it back. But I do have to add a carry-on bag. I do have to add a carry-on bag for my flight because I did not have that included on my flight, because you had to add your suitcase and stuff separate. I usually go with Southwest, so I don't have to worry about that at all. But yeah, we went with Allegiant this time. It's my first time ever flying through them, so y'all pray for me. Pray for me. So I'm about to eat lunch. I'm excited about that hair stuff though. Where'd it go? I don't know what I did. I'm excited about that hair stuff. Like, for real. Like, for real, for real. Sip my water. Alright. CJ should be home soon. Let me straighten up because I just, like, threw stuff all over here. So I'll be back. I'm going to show you guys what I'm eating for dinner. Lunch and dinner. Y'all think I wild out?
You know, of course, they gonna say you wild out.
Like,
No, definitely not.
I don't know. It's cute though.
With blonde hair though?
She don't have blonde hair. Her hair is white and gold. See, they said wild out. Give me a kiss. Hold on, we don't have no light. Give me a kiss.
You I got a headache. That's all.
He act like he's so busy. Hold up, y'all. Okay. Huh? Alright. So I found it. So this is what I'm gonna have for lunch, dinner. This rice cauliflower. It's really good. So it comes in little bags like this. You put it right in the microwave. And it's kind of a big serving in my opinion. CJ killed this whole thing, probably 2 bags, but for me it's enough. So put it in the microwave for like 4 minutes. And then I bought this stuff to go on top. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's stir fry spicy sauce.
Pronounce it, but sound it out.
He can get on my nerves. He's supposed to sound it out. Szechuan spicy sauce. Szechuan. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this on top. Finally. Alright, so I'm gonna put this back in the freezer. For breakfast today, I did have cereal, but usually I have my smoothie. I might make a smoothie to go with my lunch. What you think, babe? Hold on, let me talk to babe real quick.